A violent arrest witnessed 3 months ago in Tacoma, Washington.
Oh my God, that looks so scary.
Sarah McDowell released her video publicly this week.
They're yelling at him to put his hands behind his back, but I can see the cop, they're like on top of him. Both of them are on top of them.
Hours later, the man on the ground would be pronounced dead, 33-year-old Manuel Ellis. The officers called for medical assistance. In the background, Ellis can be heard.
You can breathe, Toledo.
I can't breathe, he says, at least twice. On Wednesday, the medical examiner ruled his death a homicide. The cause, respiratory arrest due to physical restraint. Methamphetamines and a heart condition were listed as contributing factors. Tacoma's mayor lashing out.
And the officers who committed this crime should be fired and prosecuted to the full extent of the law.
The police union fired back. This is not the time to sacrifice dedicated public servants at the altar of public sentiment, especially when that sentiment is almost wholly fueled by the uninformed anger of a theatrical politician. A spokesperson for the Tacoma police says Ellis assaulted an officer that night.
Mr. Ellis grabbed one of the police officers and threw him on the ground.
But to the family and many others in this community, there are striking parallels to George Floyd's death.
I would say as soon as I heard the audio footage, my brother screaming, "I can't breathe," I knew something wasn't right.
They are left wondering why it took a video to get officials to act.
We want to see justice for my son, and we should have had to wait 3 months.
Tonight, the 4 officers involved are on administrative leave, while Ellis's death is being investigated, and the family is still waiting. Stephanie Gosk, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.